Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix connection problem or invalid MMI code on any Oppo phone. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just check if the code you have entered is correct or not. Most of the time, this error appears when the code you have entered is incorrect. Now, if the code you have entered is correct but this error still appears, then go to your home screen and open Settings. From here, just tap on Mobile Network, then select your SIM card. And from here, just disable this toggle. Now just wait for a few seconds, then enable it back on. On this page, if VoLTE calls is disabled, just enable it, then tap on Preferred Network Type. And from here, just make sure you select 4G. Now, if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then open Settings and tap on System and Update. From here, just tap on Backup and Reset, then tap on Reset Phone. Now from this menu, just select Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. Then enter your lock screen password and select Reset. Now this option will not delete any data of your smartphone. It will only reset all the network settings of your smartphone. After you do that, then go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button until you see the power menu on the screen. But if the power button of your smartphone is mapped to launch Google Assistant instead of the power menu, just press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. And once you see the power menu, just swipe up and select Restart. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix connection problem or invalid MMI code on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.